Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Elv Polyester Case for 2.5-inch hard disk. More than an unboxing, this is actually an unpacking. As you can see, this is what the hard disk case looks like. I'll remove the plastic cover. And there you go. This comes with this shockproof body and a matte black finish as well. Let's see what's inside. Okay. A couple of components inside. Over here you have a strap. Basically the hard disk will fit inside over here, and yeah, there's a lot of space. You'll be able to hold more than just one hard disk. You can also hold a couple of SSDs as well. Over here you have some extra straps. This is a divider between the two parts of the case, by the way. Over here you have some extra straps. This you can use to put some pen drives or something like that. And this pouch is designed primarily for holding all the power cables and the connecting cables. I don't have a 2.5-inch hard disk with me, but I do have this solid state drive, a small solid state drive with me. So like I mentioned, the solid state drive will go over here. Basically this is where the hard disk will go in, and the connecting cable, which is this one, this can go in this pouch over here. Let's close it up, and that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Elv Polyester Case for 2.5-inch hard disk drive. Thank you for watching.